2413 Rue De Bourdeaux. This is a very cute neighborhood driving in. This property was a rental property, which doesn't necessarily make a difference in most situations, but this particular one, it's going to require some items to be addressed, such as painting. I definitely think it needs to be painted. We do have the vinyl blinds, so let's start counting. 1, 2, 3. The flooring is okay. That will be left to Jenny if and when she comes and looks at it in person. It doesn't look like the best quality laminate. It's buckling in some places, but from what I've seen so far, it may survive a tenant term. Of course, that's Jenny's call. So we're at 3 windows, moving into the dining area. Now we're at 4, 5, 6. So 6 windows for downstairs. Cabinets are, worn. You can see that they're worn, but they may look okay after they're cleaned. These are the blinds that are inserted in the panes. Okay, so as you can see, we have this tile here, grass, which may need to be removed. Pretty high walls, in the back at least. Some sort of deck over here. Just a pile of bricks. Random items, like that's a planter and some other planting items that have been left behind. Some junk on the side of the house. These are not big deals. We could ask the seller to junk these items. Of course, they don't have to, but we can always ask. Gate would probably need to be repaired or removed. There's another gate down by the AC unit that's the same situation. So it looks like they were using this as a dog run, but then added the gate at the far end by the AC to prevent the dog from peeing on the AC unit. So either have those gates removed or fixed. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 6 windows downstairs. Whoa. Okay, there's a lot going on in this garage. Now transition here. Four, 5, 6, 7. 8. Oh. Shower rod. Nine.